on, let the film be relaxed, grab it, tension to the corner, to this edge. Okay. And in this way you can wrap the door handle less than 10 minutes. Actually, this door handle is very. I'm going to show you to wrap any vehicle door handle. If you are new here, this is Arash and welcome to my channel. Let's get into the video. Before I start, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification so you're not gonna miss my video. Let's go. Okay, for wrapping the door handle, some people having the holder and then I have nothing right now here. Usually I put it on my knee for taking the video, but I'm gonna use this GSWF color chip box and just a piece of the vinyl. Okay, the first important things, don't use any heat gun or something, just do the pre-stretch like this and fixing those front end. Okay, since you do like that, and then I always say wrap to the left and right, the film already got the shape of door handle. And second step, so I don't need this one anymore. Here, hold it with your hand, keep on, let the film be relaxed, grab it, tension to the corner, to this edge. Okay. And in this way you can wrap the door handle less than 10 minutes. Actually, this door handle is very big. And here too. Do the same things. So now I'm gonna do the heat gun. Look at that. Nothing pulling back, because before we did the pre-stretch and then also we did in right way, push the film or tension it to the older edge. And since this door handle having the plastic here, I'm gonna cut it at that line. But if it's a paint like some of other handle, me usually put the one piece here, wrap it this one separate, and do the main piece overlap. So find the line, put your knife between, and cut it. And if you do the heat again, can see film not moving at all. Now time for this side. Just open the film. Perfect. Now same things we did at the upper part, we do here too. Relax the film, grab it, push it to the edge with the little bit good tension, and then also here too. There you go. Oh. Again, test it, sitting down, nothing, lay the film to the edge. Again, put the knife between that gap. And here also too. Okay. So now it's time to tucking those things. First, cut the extra. Do the relief cut here. Let me break my knife. Let it go. Good, just cut it. You can leave it or you can cut it. Me usually not leave the extra film there. Okay. Here. When you do the relief cut, just make it sure you already passed the edge, like here. Otherwise, you're gonna show the cut line. Look at here, nothing gonna show. And this one, same way. Usually that upper part is more important down part, because down part no one can see, but upper part very important. Test it again. Nothing pulling back. Just cut it. Like this. Do the same things in this side. So this is how to wrap the door handle, and then if you do the heat, actually I do a lot, and this one is super hot. Nothing moves. Which is, this way I wrap it, it's gonna stay there forever. Learn from professional. So this is the way you can wrap the door handle, any door handle, and I hope it helping for your DIY or your project at your shop. And if you're having any other way, please share it with us, comment below. I will be happy, and then also others gonna be happy if we sharing all the experience together. And if you like it, please subscribe and share my video. Give me a thumbs up. See you guys very soon. Bye bye.